Hey there YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff, and today we're doing an on feet for the Jordan I Gatorade in orange, as you can see. So let's get to it. Hey, I'm back. It's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff. I hope you enjoyed that on feet. That was, we found a new space to do it, so we're really trying to do a lot of these now. So, what can we say about it? Well, SJ, first of all, do you like these? And that's a resounding yes from SJ on Sneaker Cam. So, as I did the unboxing on a live stream, I didn't think we really went into this in a great load of detail, but these are a super nice shoe. The leather is tumbled leather. As you can see, I'm not sure if that's picking up on this camera, probably out of focus. Sorry, camera 2. Yes, so super nice. I think they go well with many, many things. And actually, when I saw the pictures online, I thought, oh my word, they are gonna be super bright. But I can tell you that actually that orange is not as bright as the pictures suggest. And these, I think, are a super wearable shoe. They're gonna work really well in springtime. Once I get the older trust from the sky, please don't rain anymore in the UK. So once it stops raining, these will be rocking it with the green Carhartt Madison joggers. I can't remember the words today. The joggers, these go really, really well. I think they're super dope and they'll go with so many outfits. So if you like this kind of thing, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave us a comment if you like. We haven't asked for comments for a while. Loving all the comments we're getting so far. And so until next time, see ya! See ya!